Watagwan. Wagwan. What's going on, y'all? Watagwan. Wagwan. Let's see what's up, bro. Let's see what y'all got going on, man. Hold on. You know I got to get my phone ready so I can... Hold up. There we go. So I can go ahead and see the chat, man. You know what I'm saying? So I got to get this stuff together. But here we are. Wix. Blank canvas. Just give you guys a recap of what happened already. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back to Photoshop. As you guys can see, this is the thumbnail. I just did the thumbnail up. And oh yeah, make sure you guys, if you are a Robert Loyal community member, you know what I'm saying? You've been here since day one, since the day one. Go ahead and get that Telegram. Go ahead and join that Telegram chat. Hold on, let me get that going for you. Cause I feel like this is possibly the best. You know what I'm saying? I know I've done maybe one or two Telegrams, but this one, hold on. What's going on here? Kingdom Builders. Out of here. Let me drop the chat. You know what I'm saying? Let me get that together so you guys can get in where I'm at. You know what I mean? So y'all can always be up to date with me. You know what I'm saying? But while I'm doing that, let us know where you from. Let the world know where you from. Okay? That's the Telegram chat, you guys. If you're trying to be in, come in and be in with your boy. All right? But let's go ahead and get that recap going of exactly what's... Hold on. I got to hear something real quick. Give me 1 sec. 1 second. Had to do an audio test. But yeah, let's do a recap real quick. So, when we first started, all right, and I didn't do this on screen when I first started, I made the new logo. You know what I'm saying? That logo was kind of like, you know, is what it was. You know what I'm saying? It was just kind of like this V with the word verse going down. And I don't know if I have it still. It's fine. I don't know. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Oh, there you go right there. Maybe, I don't know. It was just the V with the little thing going on. So I made the logo. I put this really cool logo together. It's pretty solid, in your face. No communication errors, no scale out errors. When we scale out, it's not bad. We know it says versed all the way down this way. When we scale in, we can see that there's an identifier or whatnot. That nice V. We want that. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if I can find that V. We got that V logo, right? Which is extremely... If you guys don't know this brand today, okay, I promise you, every time you see this V and the dot in the middle just like that, if this brand does actually adopt this logo and adopt this website that I'm going to send to her, I meant to send it to her yesterday, but I was out doing some things, so I didn't even get the chance to even work on the website. But if this brand specifically adopts this logo, this V, every time you guys see this V, you're going to think of Versed, okay? You're going to think of it. Why? Because it's smacking. It is what it is. It's nice. It's nice, and it has an identifier. You know what I'm saying? So very scalable, very has longevity in it. You know. Excuse me, you guys. And yeah, we had to remake it. But when we did that, we decided we had to make a website to go along with it, because that was the main subject of our thing here. So we went to their website. Let me pull this up to where it is right now. Went to their website. Let's see if I can pull it up. versedinc.com. Went to their website. Not a bad website. Okay. Nice little, I guess what you call this, you know, carousel of images going around, except what it's doing is it's popping in. It's not really fading in like it's supposed to, but it's cool. It's cool. Got the little, you know, verse logo at the top with the hamburger down. You know, she got the hamburger down instead of the I wonder if she was watching my videos, because at first it wasn't like this. But she has that down right there, and then she has, like, you know, everything at the top. And then let's see, just moving along, we have the About Us section and all this extra stuff. It just doesn't keep people here. That's the issue. Okay, it doesn't keep people here. and it definitely doesn't keep people coming back. It doesn't keep people coming back. That was the issue with this website. And I wanted to create a website that was a little bit more appealing, okay, that one, kept people there, kept people wanting to see what this website was about. And then two, just off the front page, keep people coming back. So that's what we're going to do here today. But in doing that, I spent all of Saturday, if you guys remember. Well, I spent all of Friday coming up with this video. So if I can bring up that video real quick so we guys can see it for the one time, right? Just kind of scroll back and just play it real quick. We got this going for the one time, right? It's a nice little video. It's kind of corporate, but you know what? It's cool. It's not bad. It's not bad. It could be better. You know, it could have something different, but for the free ski, you know what I'm saying? For the fact that I'm doing it for the nothing right now, I just wanted to make sure that there was a nice video at the top that just kept people interested. When they saw it, kept them interested. It kept them wanting to come back. And yeah, so we got that. At the very top, right? Nice little scroll button to bring us down here to where we're going to do basically just the layout or whatnot. So you have the normal header, the image slider or whatnot that they have, which will be the one that I'm going to make, the build out and all that stuff. We got a trending section right here, which is going to be another slider that we kind of pulled from Gucci of all places. We was like, what will be a good one? And we was like, well, let's use Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Let's try out Gucci and see what they got. And Gucci was doing a trending thing like this. And I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm with it. So got that. And we got a nice little web banner right here that advertises one t-shirt. Another web banner right here that advertises. I really want it to be a collection. So I really want these to be like collections, but she doesn't really have collections. So it's just the hoodie collection, right? As you can see, all three of these images right here are hoodies. And they're in the same hoodie basically, but we're not going to worry about that too much. And then at this bottom part, we have a spot where they can subscribe for. But going forward, I think I'm going to have a pop out. The moment that it hits like right here in this instance, in this little area right here, we're going to have a pop out that says, hey, you should go ahead and subscribe for, you know, we need to come up with a value proposition. All right. And if you guys, like I said, if you guys join that Telegram group that I've just dropped in the link at the top of if you guys come in that chat, we're going to be discussing as a group, as a community. Okay. This is a community. So it's just, you know, of all of us free people, you know what I'm saying? Anybody who has a clothing brand or whatnot, anybody who's trying to grow a clothing brand, anybody that's trying to, you know, get from A to Z, or at least A to B, so we can go B to Z, you know what I'm saying? Get on ahead and get in that live chat or whatnot. Go ahead and join our community, the official community, you know what I'm saying? Now, I don't have the paid community yet going, but this is the free one that everybody can join in and just kind of have a nice little chat in about what they feel like, you know, they're missing out on, and the new insights. Well, I'm not going to do insights yet on this one, but stuff that you guys can, you know, just talk to each other about amongst each other about y'all's growth and what you guys did to grow and what I can offer you guys to grow and all that stuff. So this would be a nice spot, you know. So that's what we got right now. And yeah, we're going to talk about value propositions in that chat. So I think that this is pretty strong, pretty smooth or whatnot, and we're just going to start building it out. So let's go ahead and go back to Wix. So yeah, the website builder that I'm using today is Wix Editor. As you can see, they already gave me some pages. I actually had to delete one, all right, because they gave me a home page that I didn't even ask for. I just wanted to shop and blog, right? So that was the home page. This is the shop page. As you can see, it has their whatever's in his mug and got the blog page. But as you guys know, all we're going to work on today is the home page. Because why would I work on anything else outside of it? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man, or I'm not sure if that's a girl, but shout out to Chris Courtenay. Shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? So let's start. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop in this first column right here an image. super image, right? And this image will be the logo. So that means I think I need to go ahead and I'm not sure if I need to import or export any images right now. I just haven't been able to. Let's see, versed. Let's see, logo. Okay, I did do the logo, and I think that's actually, yeah. So it's a black one. So there is one thing that I'm gonna have to do here that you guys probably are gonna be like, yo, bro, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Right? So first of all, let's kind of scale this in. Wix is, like I said, I'm not sure if I told you guys yet, but Wix has actually stepped their game up a little bit, right? It's not as bad when it comes down to code. I think that was something else in the recap that I meant to talk about, was how Wix actually stepped up, right? Wix isn't as bad as people used to be. You know what I'm saying? Now it was pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was pretty bad. You are a boy, Damon. Are you talking about my voice, man? Oh, you talking about my bad, man. I'm sorry. You know, it's Chris. You know, so it's just like, yeah, you know, Chris could be a man or a girl. You know what I'm saying? You know, I try not to. But let's talk about some things that I found out. You can hide the top layer of this on this page. So it's not even on here. Like, so if you go to menu and pages, right? You can hit these double boxes right here, these double dots, and I think it's in settings. Somewhere in here you can hide from menu. You can hide, no, not hide from menu. You can hide the menu. Let me see if I can find it. But somewhere here you can hide the menu. And by the way, this right here, okay, so no footer or header, right? We can actually take that out. Which means that now we just got all body, right? Which basically is in line with what I created. Let's see. Who else? No offense taken, bro. Great stuff. Already learned a few things just coming across this. Hey, dope, man. Dope. I try to give as much value as I can, bro. I really do. And also, by the way, so you guys know, I have a Telegram pulled up right here. Okay? I got a Telegram pulled up right here. You know what I mean? So like I can see it on my phone. It comes across my phone. It comes the actual live chat from YouTube or whatnot comes up on the phone. And yeah, so I like it like this anyways. You know what I mean? But yeah, as you can see, I got rid of the header on this mug. And if we go to another page, let's just say we go to this shop page. If it comes up, as you can see, the header is there, right? So yeah, go back to home. It's cool. We don't need it right now. But what we will do is we'll drop this. Well, not another section, my bad. We'll just drop in some design elements into this section right here. So I need to add like a video. Okay. I need to add a video. And I think I'm tripping. So we're not doing to add a section. We're going to do add an element. And let's see. Can add a video. Because let's see. I can do let's see. Maybe I could do an add video upload. Let's see. The only thing about the add video upload thing is that, all right, we could play in loops too. You see how like I gotta scale this out? Let's see. I'm gonna just drop in a video. I'm gonna drop in that video. How everybody doing today? For real, for real. Is this tripping? Because I didn't click on. Let's see. I'm not gonna do the YouTube. I'll click on this right here again. Oh, change video. I'm tripping. Oh wait, no, change video. There we go. So now I can just upload the video from here. Now, admittedly, I've never uploaded a video on Wix before. I just know this is my first time on actually doing that. You know what I'm saying? Will this video stay up? I have to get back to work. Yes, this video is actually included into a what is it? A playlist called, I think, the title of this video and all that stuff. You can go. It's the most recent playlist. I'm gonna put it on the front page of my YouTube channel too, so you guys can see it. But those, I have 3 lives already, and they're both like an hour. And this is gonna be like an hour too. So it comes out to like maybe 4, maybe 5 hours worth of content that you guys can just watch back to back, which I think would be pretty awesome. So if you have to rewatch it, it's definitely there for you, bro. You do not have to stick around if you can't. Let's see. Do I have to turn this? That's the real question. Do I have to turn this mug into a MP4 for it to play out? 95.5 megabytes. That is a lot. That is a lot. Bet. Blessings to you. Blessings to you too, my bro. Good luck at work. Good luck at work. Yeah, I think the last time I got on here and was telling you guys about, so there was a question, there's an ongoing question on like, is Wix even worth it? You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people will say, there's people who will swear by like WordPress and say Wix is trash. Or there's people that swear by like Squarespace and say Wix is trash. I say try them all out. The only reason why I say Wix is worth it today is because you can just drag and drop in this mug. As you can see, I just dropped in this final composition video, which I'm gonna have to name up something different else, you know, because it got to be named appropriately. I just dropped in this video. I know exactly where it's gonna go. Let me change the video to the name of the video is to be verse intro, right? I'm gonna add it to the page, and it's good to go. Maybe, hopefully. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not sure if this, let's see, it's definitely giving me, well, that's being stretched out the wrong way. So let's see. I need it to be a full width video. And that's the one thing I was just kind of wondering, like, is it going to be a full width video? So we're going to pull it down. But yeah, a lot of times people, when they say, oh, is Wix worth it? And I'm like, yeah, it might come out with some bad code. I remember back in the day when we were trying to do it, it'll have bad code. But just the last time we was on this, you know, YouTube live, last time we was on it, Wix didn't look too bad as far as like, I'm not sure if this full width video is going to be worth it. Let's see. We got to have a full width, and I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be the best way of going about it, you guys. Stretching it out like this. But let me do a preview. Let me just do a preview just to see. All right. And it should have automatically played. Oh yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of that. Yeah, no, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Newser. So what we're going to do is I'm going to delete this one, and we're just going to drop in another one. Keep it moving. All right. So actually, see if I could change the background. Oh, I can add a video from changing the background, so I don't even have to do all that. So we go to site files and then change background, which I think would be better anyways. Let's see. Video opacity, video behind it. I want to make sure that it's black. I got distracted. What was I talking about, you guys? Oh, I was saying the last time we were doing the video, last time we were doing this, is it in there? Last time we were doing this, we were talking about how Wix might not be the people be like Wix might not be the best because of oh, see, now look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that make y'all want to stay? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so my bad. I'm getting distracted. So last time we was on here, we was talking about Wix might not have like the best coding when it's done, said and done. It doesn't have the best SEO, right? And we actually found out just kind of looking at my website, which I built on Wix, that that's not true. And it comes down to the same thing when it comes. It's almost written out like every other one, like WordPress. They have the CSS and the JavaScript written inside the body, which is not bad. You know, I don't really like the CSS, the styles being written to the body of my websites, but that's cool. I mean, it is what it is. It happens out on WordPress. It does out. I'm pretty sure it has it written out on Squarespace as well. So I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You guys just saw that though, right? Like, I'm actually kind of happy about that. We're gonna drop the height of this down though, just a little bit more, I believe, and just kind of look at it one more time. Kind of glad that did that. Let's see if we can do it again. Yep. Now, do I want this to be black, an overlay of black? Because I did say I didn't like, what I didn't like was the actual color of, I didn't like the color of the video. You know what I mean? And I wanted to overlay black on top of it, but maybe we won't have to. Let's see. Nah. No, let me see something. Let me try it again. Doesn't that make y'all want to stay? You know what I'm saying? Like, already putting that stuff into motion. Let's try, I'm going to try 75%. Try 75%. Look at it. Right? Back to editor. Okay. And then what did I have here? We really do need to come up with a value proposition when it comes down to clothing brands, because like I was saying before, you don't want your clothing brand to be like, oh, buy now. You know what I'm saying? Here's 10%. I mean, you do, but that shouldn't be the value proposition of how you get people to stay. You know what I mean? Like, that shouldn't be, oh, the reason why people is coming back to your site is because you're giving them money off. No, you should be building a community, and that shouldn't include money off to build that community. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the things that we're trying to mastermind in that text chat is, how do we get people to stay within, right? And I was thinking, one thing I was thinking was, I don't know. See, there's a thing called the Maslow's law of the hierarchy's needs. Okay. And I'm going to bring that up too. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make a video about it. But on a community sense, a lot of people join things because they want to feel safe, right? Let's see. Let me pull this up. I'm gonna pull up the video, not the video, but I'm gonna pull up Maslow's law real quick. Law of hierarchy of needs or something like that. I don't know. Maslow's law. Um, and why people spend, buy, and all that type of stuff. And this is just kind of some free game, right? Let's pull up this one. We so on a psychological need, right? Most clothing brands don't sit on a what we do. On a psychological need, everybody needs clothes, right? On a safety need, because it helps people out. But here, why do people buy into our clothing, or not even just that, just become diehard fans of our clothing? It has to hit one of these five needs outside of psychological and safety, right? Does it hit on that intimacy and belonging need, where people join the community because it's intimately made for them? You know what I'm saying? Does it hit them on an esteem level, where it's like wearing this clothes give you a certain type of self-respect? You know what I'm saying? And does it bring them to self-actualization, that what it is what it is? You know what I mean? I like this one right here. Let me see what this is about, because I think I'm getting ready to talk more about it. Yeah. Okay. So, no, that was it. So, on a past the esteem level, where you got the cognitive needs, the aesthetic needs, and the self-actualization, we can actually, I feel like, in a valuable way, we can bring people into a community of your clothing brands if you hit on those needs. So everything at esteem and above. The fact of love, belonging, and loving, safety needs, these are deficient needs, they say. This is extended. I don't think this is it right here, but something like this. Man, you know what? I'm sorry, you guys. Y'all not even seeing it. I'm not sure if you guys can even see it, because it's off on a real messed up. Let's see if I can do it like this. Right? But we already have that, because on a psychological level, a physiological level, I keep saying psychological. On a physiological level, we need clothes we're already in there, because we need clothes to live. Okay? And that's going to keep us safe from like bugs, weather, you know what I'm saying? people looking kind of crazy because their body's not in shape, body shaming and all that stuff. It's just keeping people good from that, right? And on the esteem level, it also brings us confidence and all that extra stuff. But we need to bring in a community that wants to be there for a specific reason. It can't be sexual intimacy, because that's not what we're talking about. But friendship, family, what are some other things that are just, they talk about as far as like that type of thing, So that's kind of why I like this one here, because it's like friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection, you know what I'm saying? And if we can tie that in with their esteem and their self-actualization, you know what I mean? I feel as if we can make some real good, cool plays. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we talking about, or I'm trying to get people to talk about in that chat box. You know what I mean? But let's just get back to this real quick, because I just like how this looks. So I put the verse up here. It's the white one. So we'll see what this looks like. So maybe not even put the logo up here. Maybe I should just take the logo out, because I have that at the end of the, oh shoot, what didn't happen? At the end of this, the word verse comes up, so I should probably just add that scroll down to people know. So we'll do that in page anchor type thing. Is it the anchor? I don't know if it's the anchor. Here, I'm gonna come back to it. But let's move on to this next one. This next section right here, which is about, what's that? That's the web page. So we'll put in a blank section and keep it moving. And oh yeah, by the way, you guys, this is going to be live. That you guys, once I finish building this out, you guys can go ahead and go through and look at it. I'll be able to link it into the playlist, and you guys can go in and check it out whenever you want to. Type stuff, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we need to put in a gallery, not a gallery, but a menu. So we'll put the menu right here. Simple drag and drop. We'll put in another image, which will also be a simple drag and drop. And that'll be the logo. Right. The logo goes in. And that will be a nice drag and drop feature over here. Now this is actually outside of the grid, so when I pull it out on menu on a mobile side of this menu or not, it's not gonna look right. So they'll say like, okay, you need to move this over. You know what I mean? And funny, where's the other stuff? Hold on, I gotta find it. See all layers. Okay. Oh, that's right. It doesn't do that. Okay. We have. It would be more. I probably would have to make buttons. Yeah, I'd have to make buttons for that. So what we're gonna do is, I'll probably move that there, and we got a video playing at the top, and I just want to look at preview. So preview. You guys should always think, how does your design, not only is it going to be functional, but how responsive is it? Okay, so kind of look at it real quick. Okay, what happened? Preview. Okay, is the video not gonna play? I don't think the video plays on the. Oh, that sucks. Okay. So it doesn't look like the video is gonna play here on the mobile version. So that's all right. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. All right, so video is not going to play on the mobile version, which means I will possibly have to manually put in the video for that one. So I'll add the manual video to that. But as far as this goes, we can continue building this out. So it already made the navigation, and if I remember correctly, the navigation have a few other links, right? So we got home, cruise, hoodies. So let's go back. So I'm going to put in here, it has to go down to the page, and let's see, store pages. I'll add, let's see, or no, site menu. We'll add a, sucks I gotta put in a page, but we'll see. Cause I don't want to. If I put in another shop page, I'm gonna see. I just want to see. Just want to see if it even opens up. So we got 2 shops. Probably need another 3rd shop, right? Okay. So we'll call this Cruise. Dang. So that's Cruise. I think this will be hoodies, right? Hoodies. Ah, shoot. No, that was right. Cruise hoodies. Let's see. What else? Tees, accessories. Let's see. We're good to go. Okay. Page is acting all weird now. I really didn't click anything, so it's still building out a page or something like that. Okay, build out another page. So we'll call this tees. Right. Add another page. I think that one would be accessories, and then we got one more after that. It'll be called Last Chance. See, accessories, done, and then Last Chance. Okay. Last Chance, right? And that means I can get out. I'm gonna take out blog because we can hide blog actually. And yeah. So let's go back to the home page because that's all we're working on today. Unless, my lady is like, yo, and I'm like, what's good? So we'll move this into frame a little bit. And we'll move this into frame a lot bit. No, it did just take a lot in. So this is, I'm probably not gonna work on and this is just because I think right now it would get too much, and I'm probably gonna do it. Nope. What is it? Psalms 11:26. Those who withholdeth the corn. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I do the best of the best here. So let's see. It's a gallery. And we're gonna get a sliding gallery. And what are these galleries? Oh my God. Hold up now. Because we just came up with, these just came out of nowhere. Hold on. I don't know what you guys think, but that's kind of super smooth. That's not a gallery that we put right here though. That's definitely not a gallery that we put right here. This 3D gallery, let's delete that. We'll put that somewhere else if we can. I'm gonna remember it, And if it does not work out, we're not going to use it. But we'll say, let's do this one. Okay. And, oh yeah, it's probably going to be full stretch, but I think we're going to do the fade out and in thing, right? And then let's see. Go ahead and do a full stretch, a full width gallery. And we'll probably put, I think, probably 15 pics on both sides. Probably not. Let's do like 25 pics. Can I use anything outside of pics? Let's do like 15% on both sides. Yep. Cool. And then let's see. I'm just trying to, because as you guys can see, I'm having a situation down here at the bottom. And it should, okay, there we go. This means we need to pull this down some more. Okay. Okay, keep going. Because this has to look like, oh, okay. Somewhere like right here. And we'll take both of these, pull you down slightly, right? Pull this up slightly, and then pull this down at the bottom. Do that. Cool. So now we have our video at the top that's keeping us in. I need to pull down a button, that probably a GIF button. I'll probably pull in a GIF button that's like showing us go down. Haven't done iconography at all. It's been paid for to get made. It's just the website that I'm doing. So, and one thing about Wix that I just do not like is that it takes forever to load. I've noticed that my computer has like gotten slower. I'm like, man, this is moving slow. It takes a lot of your memory. So I'm just waiting for Photoshop to load up. There we go. There's a fly in here. A whole fly in here. I'm like, man, get out of my face, dude. All right. So I have these pictures that will go in those placeholders. We're going to build out this right now. So I'm going to come back to the slider that's above. And we're going to start here at the bottom, going into this next section. So, and this next section is supposed to be a different color, right? So let's click here. We'll change the section background. And this one has to be like an off gray. It have to be like an off white color, right? So I'm gonna use not that deep of a gray. Let's see. There's DB. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna edit theme color. No, I'm not gonna do that. This is way too deep. Way too deep for your boy. So, and then it went to the wrong. Like, what were we thinking? Oh wait, no, that was it. That was definitely it. I tripped. Right? No, that's it. That's fine. Let's do a preview. So I know I'm not looking crazy. I need to also build out this right here to look like something. So let's scroll up some. Scroll up some. Let's start from the top. Right? Right? And then we got to make these buttons a little bit bolder. We got to change the font on that. We got to fix this up here at the bottom. Okay. I'm just trying to get all the placeholder stuff in here. And then on tomorrow, we'll start plugging all this stuff in. And yeah. So we'll add in this section here. Another. Oh man. We'll add in another gallery. Now I saw a gallery that I did like, and these 3D galleries low key going. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Slider gallery, right? That's the one thing I do not like about Wix, and it will slow down your computer. I'm gonna try this one right here. Okay. And this is also gonna be a full width gallery. And instead of, I think I can do this in the design where, okay, no. To do design, customize the design. I don't want it to show any information, so, well, I do want it to show information. I don't want it to show information like it's gonna show information, because the way it's gonna show information is kind of dumb. So let's see. Let's see. Maybe something like that. Okay. I mean, we'll take the text box. Okay, but the frame. We'll take out the frame. And what's that? Okay, no, that looks stupid. I don't know what that is. It got like dots and stuff in the middle of it. It does not look fashion-like. Got to keep it moving. So let's click right here. Maybe without all that stuff. Okay. No, that's stylized. Next. Yeah, Wix will slow down y'all's computers like crazy, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy. All right. Yeah, Wix got my computer slow as a mug, man. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right here. Without no crazy stuff, right? Let's take out the background. Okay. Cool. And then when it comes down to the title. Okay, I'm tripping. So the thing about the gallery is that everything will get made into a, so you have to upload it into a spot and it'll do all this stuff there. I'm so used to it being a different way. But when we do the text and stuff, you stylize it. Excuse me, you stylize it in here. But now I'm looking at it like spacing. Let's try spacing. Won't be spacing. Don't I have to get the font, and this is probably one of those times where I'm not going to. I'm gonna have to get the font in a certain situation where it's, well, first of all, let's really get this together, right? So let's go back to here, right? But there's no font now. Okay, so I have to go here. So we have to use this one. Oh my God, the boy, Wix make you want to pull your head out, pull your head off your shoulders and all kinds of stuff. I'm just trying to get things done. And it's running late now. Okay. Let's close down the design. Okay. Pull it back up. Customize the design. Cool. Text. I don't see it. I might have to refresh the page, and that's fine. That's certainly not okay. That's not bad. It's not okay, but it's. But anyways, let me show you guys what will happen. So like, let me just double click here, and of course, a picture comes in here, and I don't know, man. Maybe I can do it right now. It's just my computer, because Wix is just in a behemoth of, as you saw, it kind of like slowed down. It's like, oh shoot, we're thinking about it, but it's kind of a behemoth of a program online because we're building it out online, But I'm thinking what I can do. I'm gonna hit design real quick, and I'm gonna customize this design one more time just to see. Yeah, nah, it's not gonna work like that. Maybe just hit the change image. Nope, not gonna work like that either. Oh shoot, it was change image. Okay. Playing with my beard, you guys. So yeah. Add them with the current titles. I'm gonna do without. Nah, I want the titles in because the titles come with buttons and all that stuff. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick another gallery here, or maybe this is something I can just kind of research because for some reason it's not giving me exactly what I want. Shoot. And now I am tired. I know I started at 6 o'clock, so I owe you guys 6:10, so I owe you guys like another 6 minutes. But we're gonna look up some more galleries, ones that aren't. I wanted to use this one, this carousel one, because I thought that it was super cool, and this is kind of where I was trying to use it at. Was like right here, okay, and pull up, please. Right, it gives that super cool carousel. Let's see, change images. Let's see something. Let me see something. So I'm gonna add an image. Yeah, I'm gonna add some images. Upload from media. Upload from your computer. And we're gonna go to. I'm not even sure where I dropped those images at. Let's see. Extra slow. You feel me? Got my computer all on. I mean, it is what it is. All kinds of stuff. Images. Maybe. Let me see if I can get a t-shirt. Do I have a picture of a t-shirt? Because I'm not sure. I don't. I don't. So that's not gonna work. I have one on my computer from Photoshop, so we'll use that. We will use this one. But yeah, so we'll click on it. Auto select is on. Yes, sir. And we will. I'm gonna just export as a quick PNG. Yes, sir. And I will put this in where it needs to be. Image. We'll call this test T-shirt. It's not a T-shirt, but it, you know, is what it is. Back to Google Chrome. Now it's probably gonna come up as a background because reasons, you know what I'm saying? But let's see. That's just something I can probably research real quick after this live, which will probably go off in the next couple of minutes because I have to do things. Here it is a Monday, it's not a Friday, where I can do long stuff, 2 hour long stuff. It's kind of I do got things to do, but I wanted to hop on here on live just to see some things. So, okay, I'm gonna drop in image one, which will be that shirt, and it comes up like this, which means interesting. So I would have to either make it not fit. I'd have to make it fit like this. Let me see. Is it gonna give me a design? Like, nope. Doesn't let you customize this design either. Also, I mean, I would have to make it fit within this and also take away the size constraints. I mean, not the size constraints, but the so it'd have to fit into the size constraints, which look like that might be a nice little rectangle. That could be like anything, like a 15 by 2000. No, that looks like maybe like a good 1200 by 2000, right? Or 2000 long, 1200 down. So I can do that and make the shirt fit in that. And then just make the shirt do that rotational without a background. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that I'm not liking is that on this one, it doesn't tell you what shirt it is. You know what I mean? And that was kind of the reason why we did it like this. So we can change this background. We can change the design of this to something different. We'll try that slider gallery again. Because I want to get... the one thing about doing things live, or not even just that, the one thing about just doing things in general is that you get to learn, right? A lot of people want to be... influencers and all that stuff, and that's cool and all, but you get to learn, right? You get to experience some things, and in the experience of this, like, I'm getting to see, okay, what's the constraints, what can happen here, you know what I'm saying? So this is super cool. What about this circle thing? Because the circle thing kind of looks like something that I would probably need. And I can get rid of the, the background. If I can get rid of the backgrounds and the circles, that'd be cool. It is 6:10. I'm going to give it like another 5 minutes, you guys. So, actually, I want to see what happens if I throw in a PNG, just a regular PNG in here, just to see what it do. So let's add in, let's go to site files and just add in verse. I just want to see what it looks like if there's just a regular PNG in the background. Okay, so it keeps that background white, and I'm not a fan of that. Well, I mean, maybe maybe let's go into the design. Oh, I can. Okay, maybe not. No, I can't. So it's telling me that I have to keep the background white. Okay, that's cool. So in events like this, I guess I would possibly change the background to be white, right? So the background will possibly have to go back to being white, or yeah. So it looks like it's floating in space, though that's not the direction that we wanted it to go in. We'd have to cheat that, and that's how we would cheat it, right? Let's just to make this section white, and then up under it, everything else be like gray. So, and that's super cool. I like that, but that means that, actually no, that's kind of what we need. But how do I get the text on here? That's the real thing. Can I get the text in here? What's up, man? I just wanted to come in really quick and say hi. Nothing much, man. Just getting everything together, trying to, put together this website that we started a couple of days ago. And I'm just getting everything straightened up. We're getting ready to hop off, though. I got 3 minutes. I want to, since we do have this last 3 minutes, I do want to talk about the chat. Okay, so I have a chat for everybody. This is where we discuss like just some mastermind stuff. Like we, as a collective together, we talk about what worked for our brands and stuff like that. So it's not just the me thing; it's a community thing. You know what I mean? And we could talk about just anything clothing brand related. You know what I mean? Just go ahead, hop in. I give my tools and stuff like that if y'all might need it. But it's not a one-on-one. It's a one on as many people here. So I have 63,000 subscribers already. And the potential is possibly, I believe the potential is like 1%. So it'll be like 630 people that can possibly join in. But I think the chat itself goes up to 200,000. You know what I mean? So at some point in time, 1 in 200,000 people can come in and talk about things. I'm actually starting to talk to more leaders in the industry, you know what I'm saying? Which means that they have things we've been talking. I know you guys don't like Twitter and stuff like that, but Twitter has been a beast when it comes down to clothing brands, because in there we actually do have live mastermind groups and stuff like that. But in this small little community right here, which is not a lot, I want everybody to come in and we talk about what has been working for us, what has not been working for us, given just the insights of things. And I think that would be pretty amazing for the community going forward, is that if the Robert Loyal community got together and started, tackling some issues. But with that being said, you guys, there's a fly in here. I need to kill it. But with that being said, you guys, I have to get up out of here. I have some things to take care of. So hope you guys like this one. Tomorrow, I know we're going to finish this one out tomorrow. So tune back in. Tune back in at like 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. CST, and shoot, be ready. You know what I'm saying? Be ready, because we're gonna knock it out. But with that being said, you guys, I have to get up out of here. So it's amazing to create. Oh, before I do it, show y'all what we got first, man. Show y'all what we got. Okay, show y'all what we got, because I didn't get to show y'all yet what we got going on. All right, so hit the preview button. Again. Okay. I might turn that black and white. I'm still thinking I'm still debating that. Okay. And now we got the up under it, which would be where the slider is for those other clothes or whatnot. Just some of those nice web banner like clothing situations. And then up under it, we'll have that slider for the the trending clothes, and that's where we're at right now. So yeah, man, late, but definitely check in on the chat that I posted at the top of the screen, so you guys can basically get the recap and stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna try to post this one in there. There wasn't much that we talked about. I just wanted to basically give you guys a recap of what we did over the weekend, and I started plugging things in. But the thing about Wix is that it's so slow. It's so slow. You know what I mean? It's so slow. It sucks that it's slow like that. But this is where we're at right now on Wix. So definitely join the chat. Go ahead, click that t.me. That's my Telegram. All right. Right now we got like 5 people in there. Right. I would like to see if I can get 600 and maybe 30 people, 650 people into that chat. You know what I mean? Into that little chat. You guys will almost never, first of all, y'all never will be late because I'm updating y'all right then and there. You know what I'm saying? I have to get up out of here. All right. But definitely join that chat. We're going to come back to this tomorrow, and I believe we're going to finish this out. It's going to get finished out tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. Join the chat so y'all can be notified when I go live at 5 p.m. CST, which might be 6 or 4, wherever y'all from. And, let's grow. All right. With that being said, you guys, I got to get up out here. So stay amazing, stay creative. Above all else, stay awesome. Thank you. Let's go ahead and close them on out.